In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to add or remove hem bar weight, replace the gasket, or replace the entire hem bar on an Oasis 2900 or 2950. Follow along to ensure a smooth and damage-free process. Start by running the shade to its upper limit. If it has a head box or extruded pocket, remove the front cover. If the shade is in a recessed pocket, remove the access flap. Next, lift the hem bar assembly up and out of the zipper tracks. Then roll the shade down to a comfortable working height. As the shade is rolling down, it is important to guide the hem bar and fabric so neither rub or scrape against the side tracks. From there, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the hem bar end caps. You will need to remove 3 screws on each side, 1 on the front and 2 on the back. From there, you can slide out the end caps. If you are adding or removing weight from the hem bar, slide the weight directly in or out of the hem bar opening until you reach the desired weight. If you are installing multiple weights, it is important to distribute them evenly to ensure the shade operates smoothly. For example, if you are using 4 pieces of weight, you will want to balance them by inserting 1 on the front left, 1 on the front right, 1 on the back left, and 1 on the back right of the hem bar. If you need to replace the rubber gasket or pile, slide the existing gasket all the way out. Then align the new pile or gasket with the hem bar keyway and slide it into place. To replace the entire hem bar, slide the hem bar off of the spline as shown. Install the new hem bar by inserting the spline into the bottom groove. Then slide into place. Reinstall the hem bar end caps. Reinsert the fabric into the zipper tracks and put the front cover back on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more information and videos, visit Inserol.com.